Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a real quick one today because I don't have much time. It's supposed to get cold later this week, and I wanted to get some straw for the boys, the goats, to help them regulate their body temperature. I try to keep dry bedding. Get that light out of there. I try to keep dry bedding in their little hut that I got built out there for them, so they have a nice dry place to go. Helps them stay warm. So I had to run into town today, grab a couple bales of straw. So it kind of killed my day. But whatever had to be done. The little boys, they gotta stay warm. Gotta take care of my boys. Spring will be coming soon, and those guys will be out here working the property. But anyways, I'll show you what I got going on. You'll see I was clicking out the belt ends, and so I got the clicker press mounted here. I think this is a good spot for it, as good a spot as any. I wonder if I shouldn't have put, no, it's probably okay where it's at. It's got to be mounted pretty solid because you're putting a lot of pressure on that thing to get it to work. So it's mounted here on the corner of the bench. This is my main bench that's always cluttered. I'm slowly working on getting that stuff. This bench vise is actually going to go over here. And then that drill press is going to stay there. So I'll put the bench vise down here. That portasaw is going to go over here in the dirty section, and then I'm going to line up my bench grinder and buffer so that all the dirty stuff kind of stays down there, because I got the 2x72 over here. That monstrosity is going to get moved. That's my stereo. I need to get it out of that area so I can get rid of that plastic. So, but my goal is, like, I want this whole bench for different leather processes. So that's my tools. This is my tooling section for, like, you know, tooling leather. This is going to get moved. That's a large strop. So this area will be open. Maybe I'll do dyeing or something here. I don't know. This is going to get mounted somewhere here. This is a skiving machine. It's for making leather thinner, and then obviously the clicker press. And then, so like the drawers will be clicker dies, and underneath this press, I'll have all my fasteners and attachments for that press. That thing's a handy little sucker. I have found no better way to set snaps than with that little guy right there. That thing sets snaps perfectly every time. They're never messed up. All right, so yeah, a little update on how things are coming. The belt ends are all punched out. That was pretty easy. It took me longer to mount the machine than it did to punch out the belts, but that came out good. This is what I want. I want to be able to punch out belts real quick. Belts should just be, you know, you spend so much time doing the edge work and the finish work, you don't want to spend a lot of time cutting the belts out and all that stuff. So I got to figure out the belt loop template, and then I'll have to skive a bunch of leather down for belt loops. And then I can't find my belt tip template. I don't know where it went. So I'll have to make a new belt tip template. Because I'll still be hand cutting those until I get. I wish that light didn't bleed into my camera like that. Why does it do that? Does anybody know? Bear with me. This is not professional. This is Killinger. Anyways, I don't know what I was saying. So belts have begun. I should be out here a pretty good amount of time tomorrow, so I'll get a real good jump start on these belts tomorrow. Well, I mean, I started on them today, but tomorrow will be. You guys should probably expect some emails starting tomorrow. Maybe what's tomorrow? Wednesday? Maybe Thursday. Coming soon. So I might ship some belts out by the end of the week, maybe by the end of the week. That'd be cool. It'd be cool to get them all done and have the weekend free. A free weekend? What? Run some chainsaws? Okay. So, just a quick update. That's where we're at today. Nothing big, nothing new, nothing exciting to report. I just want to get you a video. Keep the content flowing. Let you guys know what I'm doing. I don't want to leave you hanging. I don't like going a day. I feel weird now going a day or two without a video. It feels weird to me. After doing that whole month, every day for a whole month, I feel incomplete. On days I don't put a video up, I don't feel complete. So that's basically what this is about. Just a quick update and show what's going on, and that's pretty much it. So thanks again, everyone, for all your comments, likes, and subscribing. That's a hint. If you haven't subscribed, now's your chance. So, if you wanted to subscribe for future updates, click that subscribe button, hit the notification button so you know when my next video is released, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.